Hey everyone, today I have a really easy home decor project to share with you. You'll be able to do it no matter what your skill level is. Please subscribe if you haven't already and make sure you hit the bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. The materials you're going to need are a shadow box, a sketch or a design to trace onto your glass. I'll provide this one via Google Drive. There's going to be a link down below. I'm also using the Artistro paint pens, the extra fine tip, and I'm going to be using just the white one today. You'll also need LED strip lights. I got mine off Amazon. You can get any color you want, and I will link these down below. And then finally, you'll need some tape. The first thing that you're going to do is print and cut your design out, and then tape it to the inside of your shadow box. So now all we have to do is trace our design onto the glass. It's so super easy. A couple of tips. If you are right-handed, it's best to work from left to right. And if you are left-handed, it's best to work from right to left. That way you don't smudge your design. That is a mistake that I made. I got super excited and gung-ho and just started doing it. And then that became a challenge for me. Also, don't have any concerns if you do not perfectly trace it. Honestly, especially if you're doing florals. Florals look a little better when they are imperfect because nature isn't perfect, but just take your time, do the best that you can. So Artistro did send me these paint markers. They're one of my favorite products that I've ever been sent in the mail. This video is not sponsored. I definitely like them better than the Sharpie brand. They're very opaque, the nibs are very nice, they write very smoothly, and they layer well. Sometimes when you layer paint markers over top of themselves, they will scrape off or some of the paint underneath will be removed. I didn't find that with these. I actually thought that they were really amazing. They're made for a multitude of different surfaces, and I was able to just gently wipe over my design with a dry cloth without them just scraping off. Now, if you use a cleaner, it's gonna come off, but I've never used a paint pen where it doesn't. In fact, these actually held up to the cleaner pretty well. So I'm definitely a huge fan of these. This company also has a ton of artwork and project ideas on their Instagram if you want to go check them out. I will link that down below as well as a link to their website. When you're finished tracing your design and your paint has dried, go ahead and open the back of your shadow box and wipe the sides down with alcohol. This kit came with an alcohol swipe, but if yours didn't, it still is a good idea to just wipe down your surface with a little rag with alcohol on it. Then you're going to measure your LED light strip to the sides of your shadow box. Mine is 7.5 by 7.5. Obviously, this will vary, and you want to cut the light strip on the little copper line that you see here. Then we're gonna snip a little edge off the back of our shadow box. Make sure that you get one with a cardboard backing. Fit the light in how you want and make sure that you're going to be able to get the strip light in before you tape it down so that you don't rip it up. So then I'm just gonna tape it to the sides of my shadow box, obviously, and it seems counterintuitive, but the closer you do it to the glass, the less you'll be able to see the lights when you're done. Then you want to just clip off the end, replace your backing, and you are good to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this project. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Click my face right here to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone!